Hi, this video will show you how to use the upcoming events add-on for Concrete5. Let's say I want to add a list of upcoming events over on the right sidebar. Well, I find the block, I add it, and I need to get the private address of the Google Calendar. So we come over to Google Calendar, go to Calendar Settings for the calendar that you want. Scroll down and find private address. Click on XML. When you copy this, you can paste it right in here. And that's all you need to do to connect it. Here you can choose the number of events that you want to show at a time. Here's the time zone for your Google Calendar. Just use this reference to find your time zone. Also, you can change the way that the date and the time are formatted. This might look a little complicated, but it's actually pretty easy. Just use this reference link and find the type of information that you want to show. Let's say you want to show the day of the week as a full word. Well, you take %A in this case, and you can put it right in here for the format. So that will show the day of the week with a comma and then the month, day, and year. But the default settings are pretty good too. You can start with all the events expanded, but I like to keep them collapsed. That way people can click on them to see further details. Here you can choose the cache setting. If you want to always have, if you have a constantly changing calendar and you want to always have the most recent events showing, then you might want to set this to a lower value, but 1800 seconds is pretty good. That way you don't have to wait for the calendar to load every time someone visits. But you can set it to 0 if you want to refresh the events right away, which you may notice loads slow or you may not notice it. It still goes pretty fast, but I'll keep it at the default value, which is always good. Okay, here it's pulled in the events automatically, so let's publish that. We're able to click on these to see the time, or if it has a location attached to it, then this will be a link to Google Calendar, Google Map, as well as any description information that you have in there. Alright, if you have any questions, please private message me or use the forums. Thank you.